Me never hear Jahmiel diss nobody yet. Ever. And the most bad one never hear Jahmiel cuss. And me I tell you the truth, it is not fitting at all. Welcome to Souflotv again, everybody. It is your host with the most. If you don't know where this is coming from, right? So Tommy Lee, in the tune when they clock on, see them come on the paper. In the tune when they clock on, Tommy Lee says, Jahmiel, you are baby in the war. When you circle your ends and bust out your head in your nappy. Alright? That is what Jahmiel was addressing in this song. Now let's get right to the song. So Jahmiel released a song, right? The song is called Instant Disaster. That is what this video is about. Instant Disaster by Jahmiel. In the song, it gives up a couple of people, right? So Jahmiel said, to all my fucking enemies, don't underestimate. Pussy them a try test my fate. What if I want to show the fucking world a better side? What if? What if I want to sit the war thing and step aside? What if? I don't like me can't make no Beretta rise. A simple thing for crack your fucking skull like pepper light. See me a easy. I never know say something bad. Remember me roll with a blood clot gully god. Say me try Bill and then I try draw him out. I wasn't really praying Jahmiel as dancer. After this track here though, this track when you have Instant Disaster, I really look on Jahmiel now as a dancer artist. But I also look at Jahmiel as a versatile artist. Just like how Gully God is a versatile artist. Gully God can sing some tune, but anything Gully God sings sound rough. You know what I'm saying? But I'm getting to see that in Jahmiel. He went on to say, one bag of talk in I song about bust out head in a middle deal, and Marathon road, and gunshot in a mouth, and all these things. Me I listen to the song, you know, me I said, blood clot, Jahmiel this, really? Like, I have never heard Jahmiel use so many fuck, and so many bomba clot, and bomba hole, and all these words, what I never really expect to hear from Jahmiel. It's just like one time, somebody dropped Souflotv one time, myself, right? I'm come on the channel, and I style up some people somewhere. I did it in one video. And after I do it, people start come to my Gmail, souflotv@gmail.com, and people start come to my phone, Facebook, Messenger, Souflotv, PBMB, and just send me messages, yo Souflo brother, don't make them draw you out like that. That is not of your character. Everybody don't know your things that already. Rare. And me know sometimes I go back and I look on it and say, yo, we should have addressed that one time and left it alone. Really don't make some people dry you out. So yeah, Jahmiel addressed them and dry him out and all these things. With this one bag of talk about busting head out in a broad daylight and a jack draw the crowd and marrow on the road and gunshot in a mouth and all these things, that wasn't very fitting for Jahmiel to me. Me not say he can't do it, you know, or me not say no par with a couple of people or don't know a couple of men who can do it or have done it. Me not say those things because in these days and times you can't take the simplest of man simple. You understand? Because everybody is not what they seem. And some of the roughest, toughest blood clot man out there, and some man will look like some simpleton. You understand? And some of the biggest pussy them out there, and some man with some big cut telephone cup on him face and enough screw face up and top. One bag slap out your head in a broad daylight and bomba clot this and that, and these kinds of things. So you can't really judge a man by that. I'm not saying anything about the kids' street credibility. What I am saying is, I shouldn't call him no kid neither, I'm both a blood clot kid. I'm not saying nothing about Jahmiel's street credibility. What I'm saying is, him get drought a little bit in this. From me here, Tommy Lee come with a song that me say, yes, he address this one here. Yes, he address that one. This a real clash tune. When him fling were busy, me say, after busy not really in that. But then when he fling with Jahmiel, and him a say about Jahmiel a baby in a war and he will walk and bust out the head in a nappy and something. Me say, yo, that's like two adults fighting, right? One father thump the next father in the mouth and the next father weak and can't fight back the bigger father. So, in catch on I pick them and kick the picnic and thump the picnic and little picnic can't fight back. Or I think the little picnic can't fight back. This is what this was to me. I don't know why I'm just dropping Jahmiel like that. People, Souflotv, you know, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check this out. If you know why Tommy Lee dropped for Jahmiel like that, remember I know Gully God said something about step across your fence and murder everybody in the yard, who not forget murder, get murder, them kind of talk. So was this a case of making Jahmiel a casualty of war then? Alright, maybe Tommy Lee did try to show how vicious him is. So one time him come through, everything get murdered, and the picnic get murdered with the father and them kind of something there. Maybe that's what it was. So Jahmiel talk about said them boy, them not bad enough to represent Vybz Kartel. Them not in that league there basically. Some pretend thing. And a hype, his Jahmiel's hype. Them boy they live off a car. If you don't know certain people, Tommy Lee, them careers simmer down, you know. And because of all of the legalities and these things they have going on over the past few years, and them get banned out of certain places and burned out of certain places, and things never happened to them like one time. So here comes time now where certain things free up and them have to go make a name for themselves again. So them start drafting who them feel say have something that go on for them. So Jahmiel say, yo, come on from a blood clan name dog. Nobody draw me out in this. Everybody knows that means a little you to owe my meds. Me owe real meds. You know? Jahmiel went on to style Not Nice in a worse way. And there is some slickness behind this. Let me tell you the part where I'm saying about Not Nice. The man said, Not Nice. Remember the browning where your wife up? You can't control her, you give her a knife cut. And true Not Nice, you cut up a girl. True she have your secrets, say you like suck. Like your name front of artists for try boss. In the gang, him are the tallest man. See a group of girls and him one the smallest one. Bumbo only a pedophile. Ladies, watch your babies, cause he will take away your child. I saw a man style Not Nice in this. Now, I don't know where this is coming from. I don't know if Jahmiel hears something, somebody tell him something about Not Nice. Me don't know if I choose a Not Nice, cut up him girl, get her knife cut and these things. Me don't know about him being a pedophile or nothing. But them say all is fear, love and war. Them draw Jahmiel name and say them want to slap out him brains in her nappy time, a baby in or something or whatever. So Jahmiel fling a one shot across the fence and make them know, so don't fuck with this youth. Me not in a what you know, right? Indirectly at Tommy Lee. If this was a war tune and really I go after the man called Tommy Lee might respond to, but throughout the whole song, Jahmiel was smart enough to not even call Tommy Lee's name. Let me tell you something. One of the best things you can do to your haters, them, see, is not mention them blood clot name. All one time you come on and you style them, make a song about them and style them. You and them know about the situation we are going. You don't have to call them name because you don't want nobody else get free promotion. You don't want to give them no free publicity, no free promotion. You don't want nobody else know them at all. You understand? So you come out and style them. And I think that's the strategy that Jahmiel used here, because I know that this is a response to Clackham, because Tommy Lee said in a Clackham and him indirectly but indirectly addressed Tommy Lee in this part again. Another thing that Tommy Lee said. So him said, and another thing, from some boy that sing about nappy, them a think about body. Pussy them a try bring down Jammy. Tell the bleach out fish if try bring down patty. Laugh out loud. I'm a strength them want to live off of. Them never know an instant disaster, right? So him style the youth ya Tommy Lee as from some boy that sing about body, about nappy. Them a think about body. A Tommy Lee see a man say in a Clackham that this youth here, Jahmiel, is a baby in the war, a man will slap out him head in him nappy or bust out him head in him nappy. So the youth come back, Jahmiel come back and say from some boy that sing about nappy, them a think about body. Pussy them a try bring down Jammy, which is Jahmiel. Tell the bleach out fish, try bring down Bammy. Alright, Bammy too expensive, try bring down that. Alright. So, Not Nice. At the end, Jahmiel just talk out the song till it fades out, and he said some things in at the end. And he still did not mention who he is actually responding to. So he said, Not Nice. You have to puppet them and sing a bag of this song. Tell them find a fucking hit song and stop sing fiction. Man work hard for this. Them pussy that can't get no hype off of me. don't know what feelings you are carried through, me never signed the contract. So apparently, he might hear out not nice too because Jahmiel said not nice, tell him say, but remember I know, and you did tell me some lose my talent, G. Remember I know, and you did tell me some lose my talent, G. So what the bad man think for now, eh? So, he must say, apparently one time not nice wanted Jahmiel to sign with him. Jahmiel never signed with him. Apparently the next time he must tell Jahmiel, say, yo, you lose your talent, man, you can't sing no more, your voice will change, whatever he was telling Jahmiel. See that, God take him outside with him and everything, and Jahmiel touch road and dust road and crush road and them thing there. Now we know Jahmiel as Jahmiel, right? So he must say, one bag hateful, bad-minded thing, not nice to go on with over there. And he might tell not nice, say, have them little youth over there, buy some waste song, but some fiction thing they must sing about. Tell the youth them to go find hit song. You understand? What the bad man think for now? Invest through Jahmiel, never sign with him. Sign him like a contract. A joke thing this. Where were you, pussy? Himself. Where were you? And the same thing make Alkaline cut left him. Or make Alkaline cut him off. He must say the same thing make Alkaline cut him off. Because the pussy have a dirty heart. Jahmiel said not even have time to this. I'm back to him album. See? So, in other words, Jahmiel tell the people them say he don't have no time to this. He just fire one pop to make the people them know say, don't fuck with him name, you don't get no hype off of him, not in this bullshit at all. Now I respect that. Here's Souflotv view on this whole thing. Me did I say Jahmiel did right? Him have him own little thing to protect. And we already know how the dancehall fraternity and the music industry go on the dancehall side on these things. If people are call up in them, they're going to want to hear you. Even your fans, they're going to want to hear you dash a one word. So, even if you come out intelligently, and you say what you have to say, and then you make the rest of it rest, which is exactly what Jahmiel did. I don't expect to see Jahmiel in no clash. Jahmiel knows that he's not no clash artist, and I don't think he's trying to make himself be no clash artist. Jahmiel fly out on a headline shows by himself already. Okay? And then still not reach the top tier yet because the young youth just a start out pretty much like just hitting there. So, I mean, no same work hard for it. I mean, no same also don't want to see that damage. So, I see where Jahmiel come from and me don't want to see him do no clash thing neither. Okay? I don't want to see him do no clash thing neither. It's Souflotv, man. The like, comment, share, and subscribe. It tune bad still. It tune bad still. And honestly, if Jahmiel didn't really want to do one clash artist, he probably could have do it. Because judging by this junior, me think Sam could have really do it. But that's not where his meds is at. It's a youth who hold real medi. You understand? So, big up Jahmiel, man. Jahmiel go and do the thing, my youth. I don't make them dry out here, sir. Because I saw the thing go already, right? You're not a war artist, you don't want to be a war artist. Left it to the people them who need it and who want to do it. I know you're a thing that. Alright? I'm up out of here, man. Y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll talk about it in the comment section. And I will meet you there to say a couple of things myself. I'm out. Peace.